President of all Manipur United Clubs Organization Amuco, Sanjoy Sorokaibam, has asserted that Centre has the power and capability to end the ongoing conflict in Manipur immediately, but they chose not to, and it has eroded public trust for central government. Sanjoy was speaking on the sideline of floral tribute ceremony at Integrity Pillar, which was organized by Amuco in connection with 29th Manipur Integrity Day. Speaking further, Sanjoy Sorokaibam lamented that the conflict in the state continues despite the deployment of large number of security forces. While assuring that people in Manipur are capable of safeguarding their interest, Sanjoy warned that mass rally, which is as big as the mass rally that happened on April 4, 1997, could erupt in the state if Centre continues to ignore the issue in Manipur.
Aduga akoina akoi iramdam ireba ijati ase ngak takadi kanana sungak we have say akoi yamna toine akoi miya mawang thonjra bapumde aduna akoi iramdam ireba ase sahi lisikya itihas ase akoi iramdam ireba ase akoi ngak tana kanduna la yone ngasi ju kangini adu mena hena drakale khongjang ihomdi akoi miya mi mang da la kotar di amuko na kani kimila leiroi miya wenana akoi amuko leba rikra ase kangini aba amuko ase to lejai